Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is a new opening, a door is opening, a new path is showing the way, a new gift. You've compounded so many of your talents and they're unraveling one step at a time. You guys have been working on the gift that the world needs. I need you, the world needs you. So I want to say congratulations. But now you found something that you can put the whipped cream and the cherry on top. Something that you can add another additional stream of income or another additional stream of gifts. When one door closes, I'm confident another will open, and it will be for my betterment. I accept life brings challenges and acknowledge the opportunity to learn for the obstacles that they bring to me, tests they bring to me, because once you pass the test, stronger, wiser you become. Therefore, the bigger the blessing and manifestations that you actually ask for, you can come in and will come in because you can handle them. Serenity comes from within. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.